By this time, last 5 years ago, our late President Muhammad Buhari, he is on the seat. I saw what is trending online concerning our former president Muhammad Buhari have died. Some are rejoicing, some are not rejoicing. But anybody that you call bad person, there are people that love him so much. There are people that he dey do good to them. They love him so much. Now listen, let me tell you people something. I told you people before that this world, vanity upon vanity, that this world is nothing. All the money you have, private jet, billions of dollars in your bank accounts, one day you will leave all those things on this earth and you move. If you're a governor, if you're a senator, if you're a president, maybe you are in charge right now. You are on the throne. Whatever you say, it will happen because of political power you have as a governor, as a senator, as a politician or a president. One day, those things will move out from your hand. I want to remind all our politicians in Nigeria, both governors, senators, presidents, know that one day, look at our former president, he have died. His spirit don't move. His spirit don't move. His spirit don't move to the greater authority. To the greater authority that will judge both governor, president, Paul, leash. His spirit don't move. If he do good thing, that one are good. If he do bad thing, God of heaven will judge him and he will receive the punishment, everlasting punishment. You and me, one day, we must die. And the same thing, if you do bad, hellfire. If you do good, heaven. No matter people hate you on this earth and you are close to God, hatred of people will not make you to go to hellfire. People may hate you, people may call you bad person, but you are good. When you leave this world, you are going to heaven as long as you are following the footsteps of Christ. How about you politicians, governors, senators, presidents, some of you people that are sponsoring this evil Boko Haram financement, this evil that is happening in Nigeria? One day, when you will leave this world, you will see how God will judge all of you one by one, because nobody lives on this earth forever. Vanity upon vanity, all the money you have, everything, vanity upon vanity, it will not go with you. No security, no DSS, no police, no army, no air force, no judge, no lawyer will follow you that day when they will be judging you for all the evil you committed on this earth with your political power. There is no bribe. There is no bribe in the judgment day. There is no bribe. You will not pay God money to bribe him for him not to judge you for the evil you committed on this earth. There is no amount of money you will pay. They will judge you for the works you do on this earth. How they give you money, how you are stealing, how you they thief money that they're supposed to build hospital, build factory, give some people, build lemon load. You are eating all those things, and the poor people are dying. You think that you are enjoying this world, that you are enjoying this world. One day you will leave this world, and it will judge you for what you done on this earth. Our former president have died, and there is nothing like connection. No connection will save him. Whether if he do bad thing, there is no connection. There is no amount of money will save him for judgment. I told you people, politicians that are on power right now, you don't know tomorrow. Most that all of us on this earth will leave this world. Highest, more 50 years now. Most of us You know they are alive today. 100 years, that one not sure. All of us, them. Most of you are 50 years now. Most of you 60, 30. So in the next 100 years, all of us will live on this earth. And we go move to eternity. We go move to eternity. Either you spend your eternity with God in heaven, or you spend your eternity with Satan in hellfire. Listen to me, all this political power end on this earth. No security will follow any politician the day he will die. No security will follow him for the judgment day. No security. He will stand, the president will stand. Other person will stand at his back. The person that will stand at his back may be poor person, poor. Other person, line by line. Those people that lying with him, maybe if on this earth, those people will not even have the license to even come close to the president or the governor or the politician. But on that day, but on the other side, nobody will recognize you as a president. Nobody will recognize you as a great man of God. Nobody will recognize you as a greatest preacher or the greatest billionaire on this earth, the richest man on this earth. Nobody will recognize you. You will face the wrath of God as long as you are living in sin, as long as you are doing evil. You will receive the word of the evil that you are doing. Here on this earth, if you commit crime as a politician, maybe you are rich, you have money, you commit crime here in Nigeria, you may use your political power. You have connection with a lawyer, you have connection with a judge, you have connection with the president or governors. Maybe you are a politician, maybe you are a governor or a president. You will use your political power covering everything because you are in the power, and you'll be committing evil. You will be stealing the monies of the country. Poor people will be dying, you don't care. You will be slaughtering people. You will be giving order to be slaughtering people, slaughtering your fellow human being, because you're there on power to do all those things. The other time, I saw one of our former governor, one former governor of the state in Nigeria. The jet, he's inside jet, plane, and engine started giving some bad signal. He started crying, shouting, "How!" Started shouting. That is how it will be for him. If he did not repent, he is living a sinful life. That it will be for him the day that we leave this world and face the judgment of God. He will be crying in hellfire. Not only him, but those that are living in sinful life, those governors and politicians that are thinking that they have power, they can do whatever they want to do. When that day will come, you will be crying, shouting. Say, "Oh Lord, give me a second chance. Let me return back on this earth. I will mend my way. I will repent. I will do the good thing. I will do the right thing I'm supposed to do." But that chance don't move out. That grace don't expire. That grace don't expire. Vanity upon vanity. So after you commit all this evil you are committing now, you think that you have power, political power, to cover all those things. You have connections. But in heaven, when you leave this world in the spirit, there is nothing like connection. There is nothing like I have money. You can use your political power, you can use money to bribe the angels of God, to bribe God so that God will not judge you. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. Whether you are president of America, whether you are president of Russia, there is nothing like that. You will face the judgment. According to the life you live on this earth, according to the life you live on this earth, you will face judgment. You will face judgment. My brother, my sister, do good thing. Do good thing, because one day will come when you leave this world. A day will come when you leave this world. You will be crying to return back on this earth to amend your way. But it has been too late for you. Now you are alive. You have the privilege to repent. Now that you are alive, you have the privilege to repent.